Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure both carriers allow eSIM on your iPhone 14. Carriers differ, so verify now. Once done, update iOS and back up your phone so changes are safe. Next, get the carrier's eSIM QR or activation code and open Settings, then Cellular and add Cellular Plan. Scan the QR or enter the code. The phone will fetch the plan profile. Allow the install and wait for confirmation. This begins creating your second line using eSIM, which is the only reliable method on. Now configure how the two lines behave so you avoid surprises. You should label each plan in Settings right arrow Cellular so you can tell them apart. Then choose your default voice line and which line handles cellular data. Make sure iMessage and FaceTime are assigned to the right number, and enable Wi-Fi calling if your carrier supports it. If you want seamless data when traveling, enable cellular data switching so the phone can use either plan for data. These choices control billing, calls, and messaging routing. Set them intentionally. Finish by thoroughly testing both lines. Make calls, send texts, and run a data speed check on the selected data line. Restart your iPhone and confirm both lines show signal bars and correct labels. Install any carrier settings updates and enable hotspot on the data line if needed. If something goes wrong, activation failing or no service, reset network settings, then retry adding the eSIM. If it still fails, contact the carrier and provide the eSIM activation code or QR. That troubleshooting step fixes most activation issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.